It is a fantastic evening here in the Parc des Princes in Paris. Welcome to you all. Martin Tyler along with Alan Smith. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. Here's a chance to whip it in. Encouraging play from this team now, keeping the ball. Dembele, Mbappe. Excellent reading of those danger signs to take the lead. There it is, first goal of the game, and coming this early, the promise of more to come. You have to be there to score it, and he ran in and got his reward, just couldn't miss.
No, it was the poacher's effort.
Continue to knock the ball around, looking for the opening. And that shot's blocked very quickly. That's good passing, probing. Coman. Pogba. Coman. Mbappe! And France have scored! It away. It's good play from Griezmann away from the middle this time. Aiming at the near post here with a cross. And he dives in, goal!
Well, that is a beautiful cross, and it's done justice with a firm, accurate header.
So easy in possession. The supporters, Alan, trying to play their part here and lift the home team.
Yeah, I think they believe, Martin. The question is, do those players down the pitch believe as well here?
Has a go here. Reached by the goalkeeper. Full stretch, good save. Mbappe. Got to be quick now.
Players do get lifted by...
Well, it's full time. It's been an international friendly fixture for you. Hi everybody, welcome to the Parc des Princes here in Paris. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. Griezmann with Conte again. This for the lead. How about that for a goal? It's given them the breakthrough, and they've had to work very hard to find a way through this defence. But when it came, it was superbly taken. And they're absolutely thrilled with the way they've got the lead here.
Well, it was a decent move.
They like the short corner, this team. So easy in possession. Rafael Varane. Wants to pull it back now. Well, that could be the insurance goal here.
That little bit of daylight that they were after.
He took the chance with absolute precision, Alan.
Wasn't an easy one either, that, Martin.
Got the pass there. Well, he has got a chance to get the cross in. The ball played to Mendy. Dembele! It's an important goal. That's not what he wanted to do. A poor pass. Forward momentum is with France here. Dembele. In towards the far post. That's a brilliant goal. It's a good example of his strength. Well, that could have been the winning moment, but for a brilliant interception. On the low road for the cross. It's in! Oh, could that be the decisive moment here? Very little time left. It's a wonderful time to score. They're absolutely delighted. It is a fantastic evening here in the Parc des Princes in Paris. Welcome to you all. Martin Tyler here, Alan Smith alongside me. The match has so much potential.
Playing away, it might work for them, trying to play offside.
Well, it's a bold move, isn't it, away from home, but they're confident in doing it.
Conte. Griezmann. Oh, the lead is here for the taking. Well, here it is, the first goal of a game that they have absolutely dominated. Very good play. Defence opened up again, but the difference is this time that they put the ball past the...